Suppose you need to generate some multi-line text in one cell. So you can do it by combination of Control Enter key in keyboard wherever you want to feed a new line. You just have to press Control Enter each time and the output will be as you desire. But when we have to generate some multi-line text with some cell contents as the output of a function, then you have to use a trick. Naturally, everyone uses concatenate function to join many text or cells contents. So I am going to use this concatenate function with char function, like equal to concatenate first bracket first reference comma char 13 comma char 10 comma second reference bracket close, enter. Actually, I use these two references for simplicity, but you can append many more cells as you desire. But wherever you want to use this new line character, you have to put this char 13 and char 10 combination. If you use this char 13 or char 10 in a single way, that is, you use one of them, say char 13, you can get the same output in this spreadsheet application, but when you copy this text to another application outside of this spreadsheet application, it will not work, because char 13 is a new line character and char 10 is line fit. So you have to put the char 13 for going cursor to next line and char 10 to set the cursor at the beginning of the next line. And for this obvious reason, enter key has this special symbol. You can use this trick in any other spreadsheet applications like Google Sheets, LibreOffice Calc, Microsoft Excel, and some similar nature of applications, and it will work.